My name is ANISA NUR AF'IDAH with student number 311920022. I made the assignment in the form of this video to fulfill my assignment for final exam in the pronunciation practice. The title of the discussion that I will convey is diphthongs, stress, and intonation. Let's start with diphthongs. What is diphthongs? The word diphthong comes from the Greek and means the voice or the sounds. In phonetics, a diphthong is a vowel in which there is a noticeable sound change within the same syllable. The process of moving from one vowel sound to another is called gliding, which is why another name for a diphthong is a gliding vowel, but they are also known as compound vowels, complex vowels, or moving vowels. The sound change that turns a single vowel into a diphthong is called diphthongization. How many diphthongs are in the English language? Some sources cite 8, others as many as 10. So basically, if the sound moves, it is a diphthong. Each of the following diphthongs is represented by its phonetic symbols. Examples: I. These diphthongs create sounds similar to I and most often occurs with letter combinations that include I, and Y. Examples: crime, like, lime. Number 2. A. These diphthongs create sounds similar to breathe, and it's most often used with letter combinations that include A, I, A, and A. Examples: brick, rain, wait. Number 3. Out. These diphthongs create sounds similar to both, and most often occurs with letter combinations that include O, and O. Examples: slow, moon, thaw. Number 4. Out. These diphthongs create sounds similar to O, and most often occurs with letter combinations that include O and O. Examples: brown, hound, now. Number 5. Ear. These diphthongs create sounds similar to air, and most often occurs with letter combinations that include I, A, and ear. Examples: liar, star, bear. Number 6. Ear. These diphthongs create sounds similar to ear, and most often occurs with letter combinations that include E, ear, and ear. Examples: beer, near, here. Number 7. Oi. This create sounds similar to boy, and most often occurs with letter combinations that include oi and oi. Examples: oil, toy, coil. The last number is you. These diphthongs create sounds similar to sure, and most occurs with letter combinations include O, U, and U. Examples: lure, pure, lure. Okay, now we enter the discuss of stress and intonation. Stress is the relative emphasis that may be given to certain syllables in a word, or to certain words in a phrase or sentence. In English, stressed syllables are louder than unstressed syllables. Also, they are longer and have a higher pitch. Example word: math room. The first syllable is stressed. Math. Math. So, math room. Second, garden. Garden. The first syllable stressed. Gar. Garden. There is one phenomenon concerning stress that you can observe. There are many verbs that consist of two syllables. Mostly, the stress is on the second syllable. Due to historical developments, the same word has become a noun. The noun, however, is stressed differently. If the stress is on first syllable, look at the examples. To record. A record. To record. A record. A record. To transport. A transport. To transport. A transport. The entire variation of pitch while speaking is called intonation. A very obvious difference in intonation can be observed when looking at statements and questions. When someone utters an echo or asks declarative questions, like "he found it on the street," the intonation "o" and the voice is rising to a higher pitch at the end. Second, when someone asks a why-age question like "where did he find it?" or utters a statement like "he found it on the street," the intonation "ear," the voice is rolling to a lower pitch at the end. 3. Yes or no questions. Did he find it on the street? Often have a rising end but not always. Thank you.